Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello friends, welcome to Circle Time in Miss April's classroom. My name is Miss April. What's your name? I am so excited that you joined me today. We have a lot to learn in Circle Time. Let's start with our weather song. What is the weather, the weather, the weather? What is the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is it snowy? What is the weather today? Okay, friends, it's time to look out of our weather window so we can see what the weather is today. Ready? What's the weather like today? It's a rainy day. Can you help me make a weather sentence? Excellent. First, we'll need to pick out a weather picture. Which picture shows a rainy day? If you chose this one, you are correct. I see a dark cloud with rain falling down. Let's add it to our weather sentence. Okay, let's read the weather sentence together. The weather is rainy. Good, let's read it one more time. The weather is rainy. Excellent. Hey, I saw our sight word in our weather sentence. It's the word the. I see a T, this is an uppercase T, an H, and an E. T-H-E is the word the. We have our sight word in our weather sentence. Okay, now it's time to sing about the rainy day. Ready? Rainy, 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 it is rainy today. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy, it is rainy today. Great job, friends. Okay, we need to get Perry the polar bear dressed for a rainy day. Can you help? Excellent. Let's start with his bottoms. Which bottom should Perry wear on a rainy day? Should he wear his rain pants or shorts? If you chose the rain pants, I agree. Let's put the rain pants on Perry. What color are Perry's rain pants? He has yellow rain pants. Now he needs a top. Which top should Perry wear on a rainy day? Should he wear his short sleeve shirt or a raincoat? If you chose the raincoat, I agree. Let's put the raincoat on Perry. What colors do you see on Perry's raincoat? Yellow and red. Good work. Okay, what kind of shoes should Perry wear on a rainy day? If you said rain boots, I agree. Perry has his rain boots today. 1, 2. 2 rain boots for Perry. Excellent. Now he's missing one more thing. He needs something to protect his head from the rain. What can Perry wear to protect his head from the rain? He could wear a hood on his head, or he could use an umbrella. Let's give Perry an umbrella. Perfect. Now Perry is dressed for the rainy day. Thank you so much for helping. Okay, let's move on to our letter of the week. This week, we are learning about the letter I. Can you say I? Good. The letter I makes the I sound. Can you say that sentence with me? The letter I makes the I sound. I. Excellent. Yesterday, we talked about what an I looks like. We know that an uppercase I is a tall letter. You can write it using a straight line down, or you can make a straight line down and you can put a line at the top and a line at the bottom. You can make your uppercase I either way. A lowercase I is a short letter. It has a straight line down that starts in the middle and a little dot on top. Today, we are going to be letter detectives. We are going to look for the letter I. I'll put a letter on the screen. If it's the letter I, you'll give me a thumb up. If it's not the letter I, you'll give me a thumb down. Or you could say yes or no. Are you ready? Let's look at our first letter. Is this the letter I? If you have your thumb up, you are correct. It is the letter I. Is it an uppercase I or a lowercase I? It's a lowercase I. It has a straight line down with a dot on top. Okay, let's look at another letter. Is this the letter I? If you have your thumb down, you are correct. This is not an I. It does not look like our uppercase I or our lowercase I. Do you know what letter this is? It's the letter P. Good work. Okay, let's take a look at one more letter. Is this the letter I? If you have your thumb up, you are correct. This is the letter I. Is it an uppercase I or a lowercase I? It's an uppercase I. Remember, we can write an uppercase I using a line at the top and the bottom. So this is an uppercase I. It just doesn't look exactly like this one. You can write them either way. Okay, friends, now that we're finished with our letter of the week, let's move on to our word of the day. Let's see what letters are in today's word. I see the letter S, the letter I, and the letter T. Okay, let's talk about what sound each letter makes. What sound does the letter S make? The letter S makes the S sound. What about the letter I? What sound does it make? It makes the I sound. What sound does the letter T make? The letter T makes the T sound. Okay, it's time to sound out our word. Ready? S, I, T. S, I, T. Sit, sit, sit. What word is our word of the day? Sit. Sit. Our word of the day is sit. Hey, here's a picture of someone sitting, or you can say sit. Our word of the day is sit. Did you get it? If you did, great job. And if you didn't quite get it, it's okay. We'll practice reading words every day. The more we practice, the better we get. Okay, friends, let's move on to our number of the week. Do you remember what our number of the week is? It's the number 10. We are learning all about the number 10 this week. We can write the number 10 using the number 1 and the number 0. 1, 0 makes the number 10. Okay? We are going to put 10 stars in the sky. Can you count with me? Excellent. Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We counted 10 stars in the sky. Great work. Let's count them one more time just to be sure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent job, friends. Okay, now I'm going to show you a number on the screen. You'll give me a thumb up if it's a 10 or a thumb down if it's not the number 10. Ready? Is this the number 10? If you have your thumb up, you are correct. It is the number 10. I see the numerals 1 and 0. That makes 10. Let's try another one. Is this the number 10? If you have your thumb down, you are correct. This is not the number 10. Do you know what number it is? It's the number 8. Let's try one more. Is this the number 10? If you have your thumb up, you are correct. It is the number 10. It has the numerals 1 and 0. Awesome job, friends. Okay, let's move on to our sight word of the week. Do you remember what this week's sight word is? It's the word the. We can't sound out the word the. When we see it, we have to know what it says. That's why it's called a sight word. You see it and you know it. We saw our sight word in our weather sentence. We know that the word the has the letters T, the letter H, and the letter E. Let's clap our sight word. Ready? The. T-H-E. The. Excellent. Let's try it again. The. T-H-E. The. Great work, friends. You just clapped our sight word of the day or of the week. Our sight word is the. Okay, now it's time to move on to our shape of the week. Remember, this week we're learning a 3D shape. That means it has length, width, and height. Do you remember the name of our shape? It's a sphere. A sphere is perfectly round. Yesterday, we looked at a ball. We know that a ball is a sphere. It's perfectly round. Let's take a look at something else that's a sphere. Wow, what's this? It's the Earth. We learned all about the Earth in the past 2 weeks. The Earth is the shape of a sphere. It looks like a big ball. Let's take a look at one more picture of a sphere. What's this? It's a basketball. A basketball is a sphere. It's perfectly round. Excellent work, friends. That is it for our circle time board. You did a great job today reviewing all of our new material. We learned the letter I, we talked about the number 10, we read the word sit, we talked about our sight word, and we looked at spheres. Tomorrow, we're going to continue to review those things. So make sure you join me for circle time tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye. Hi everyone. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And if you would like to see more videos just like this one from Miss April's classroom, make sure you click subscribe.